Now, beta, Lord Rama has to rescue Sita from Lanka.
What's Lanka, Daddy?
Lanka was Ravana's kingdom.
Is it a real place, Daddy?
Yes, of course, beta. All the places in the Ramayana are real. Today, we know Lanka as Sri Lanka. And then, Ravana flies with Sita to Lanka in his Pushpaka Vimana.
Where did Ravana keep Sita, Daddy?
He first kept her hidden in a cave. And later, kept her in a beautiful garden in his palace.
How did Lord Rama know where Sita was?
Hanuman flew to Lanka and found her in Ravana's palace. She was praying to Lord Rama to come and rescue her.
But didn't Ravana's people catch Hanuman?
Yes, they caught him and tied him up and set his tail on fire. But he jumped from building to building and set the palace on fire.
How did Lord Rama reach Lanka? Did he also fly, Daddy?
No, beta. Hanuman and his army of monkeys and bears built a bridge from India to Lanka with rocks, boulders and trees.
Oh, is the bridge still standing?
Yes, you can see it even today. It is called the Ram Setu Bridge. When Lakshmana got injured and was about to die, they quickly wanted a magic medicine from the Himalayas. When Hanuman reached the Himalayas, he didn't know which plant to get. So he lifted the entire mountain and flew with it to Lanka.
Whoa!
On the way, some parts of the mountain fell in some places.
But Daddy, how do you know this is where Hanuman dropped it?
Because Sanjeevani Parvata, where the magic plant grows, is only found in the Himalayas and now in Brahmasala too. And this is where Lord Rama launched the powerful Brahmastram arrow that killed Ravana.
What did Lord Rama do after that, Daddy?
He was sorry for killing a Brahmin who Ravana was. So he built a second Shivlingam in a temple where Ravana used to meditate to Lord Shiva for long hours.
Then what happened to Lanka?
Lord Rama crowned Ravana's good brother Vibhishana as king of Lanka before returning to Ayodhya.
Daddy, I love this Ramayana story. Can we go to Sri Lanka and see these places?
Of course, beta. Your father is taking us all on the Ramayana trail this year.
Daddy, I'll pluck that magic herb and plant it in our balcony.
Vacation Tours and Travel Private Limited, Sri Lanka. +9 4312266209. India. +9 1875 488 2533. Info at lankavacation.travel. www.lankavacation.travel.